It's been a couple of weeks that we are learning action words. Time to learn some adjectives. In terms of adjectives, we'll start with colors. Let's see what color is the first. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have sarı. Sarı. Sarı is yellow or blonde. Now, let's take a look at some phrases. Bright yellow or blonde hair. Parlaq SARI. Parlaq is bright, and you can call it for any other color or stuff. That's also an adjective for you. Parlaq SARI, or blonde hair, sarı saç. Now, let's use these in some sentences. First one. Yay yarmarkasında standimizi uzaktan görsünler diye afişalara parlak sarı renkler kattık ve neticede hamının dikkati birbaşa bizim pavilyona yükseldi. Some loan words, but interesting sentence. Let's see. At the summer fair, we added bright yellow accents to the posters so people could see our stand from afar. And as a result, everyone's attention went straight to our booth. Now, yay yarmarkasında. So at the summer fair. Yarmarka, that's a loan word. A fair. Yay, summer. Yarmarkasında at the. Standimizi uzaktan görsünler diye so that people could see our stand from afar. Stand, a loan word. Afişalara, to the posters. Afişa is a loan word. Parlak sarı renkler kattık. We added bright yellow accents. Ve neticede, and as a result, hamının dikkati, everyone's attention, birbaşa, straight, bizim pavilyona yükseldi. Pavilion is a booth. Bizim pavilion, our booth. It's also a loan word. Now, not yükseldi, yöneldi, sorry. Now, next one. Fotoqraf gün batımında saçların sarı parıltısını tutmak için obyektivi tənzimlədi. Beləliklə, portret daha isti ve canlı alındı. I read photograph, but you can hear photograph because it's a loan word. Same for portrait. It's written as portrait. You read portrait. It's a loan word as well. And you see there obyektiv, obyektiv. That's a loan word. Now let's see, put it all together. The photographer adjusted the lens settings to capture the glow of blonde hair at sunset. So the portrait came out warmer and more vivid. Now, the photographer, fotoğraf or photograph, gün batımında at sunset saçların sarı parıltısını tutmak için, to capture, tutmak için, the glow, parıltı, of blonde hair, saçların sarı parıltısı. If you want literal translation, it means the yellow glow of the hair. But you know what hair can give yellow glow is a blonde hair. So that's why. Now, objective is the lens. Tənzimləmək, settings, adjust the settings. Beləliklə, so this way. Portrait, the portrait. Daha isti, warmer, daha, remember this word? Ve canlı and vivid. Alındı, came out. All right? That was today's word, Sarı. Let's see how else we can use it. That joke way, maybe? I asked for subtle. The designer delivered Sarı. Sarı is not so subtle. Now, to help you in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to download it. I'm giving away Module 1 free. It is the most important module in the app because it will help you set the foundations in terms of learning the language. I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I've been posting since November 2025, every 10 days, blogs on multiple topics, including grammar tips and tricks and cultural and historical tips for you. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.